Obviously, Connecticut was affected by gun violence, by the Newtown tragedy, in a very personal way. Governor Malloy and both Democrats and Republicans in the state legislature came together to pass what, again, is the most comprehensive gun control measures in the nation's history. What these laws are able to do is allow the American public, allow policymakers, allow researchers, and allow really attorneys a bunch of different tests. One is to see the effectiveness of these gun controls. They include magazine capacity limits, registries, bans on assault weapons and other rifles, bans on certain types of ammunition, increased access to mental health care, folding mental health issues into the gun registries that determine who can get a gun and who can't. This is all important. We need more social science research to understand what's effective, what is not, what can be done in other states, what might be done at the federal level. At the same time, for gun rights advocates, there's an argument that the Second Amendment is absolute. There can be no restrictions on the right to bear arms. Now, the Supreme Court has suggested, but not come outright to say that that is incorrect, that there are restrictions that can be put on this. Connecticut allows a legal test case, a case that may make its way to the Supreme Court and may force the Supreme Court to finally rule on the constitutionality of restrictions on guns and also where that line is drawn. The Connecticut laws are so comprehensive that a future Supreme Court decision could work through it and say A, B, and C are constitutional, D, E, and F are not, and that informs us not just about Connecticut, but federally what can and cannot be done moving forward.